Did you know that as you age, the first part of your body to weaken is your legs? It's a silent process, but once it starts, it accelerates rapidly. Weak legs don't just mean a slower walk. They mean a higher risk of falls, lost independence, and even a shorter lifespan. But here's the good news. You can stop and even reverse this decline with the right approach. I'm Dr. Luis, and with over 30 years of medical experience, I've helped countless patients maintain strong, healthy legs well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. In today's video, I'll share 3 essential foods that keep your legs strong and prevent muscle loss. Plus, I'll reveal a simple daily habit that makes all the difference. Let's dive in. As we age, our muscles naturally lose mass in a process called sarcopenia. This starts in our 30s and accelerates after 60. The legs weaken first because they bear most of our body weight and require significant strength for movement. When leg muscles shrink, balance suffers, walking becomes harder, and the risk of falls skyrockets. Think of muscle strength as a savings account. If you don't make regular deposits, the balance dwindles. But the right diet and lifestyle can replenish this account, keeping you strong and active for years. Meet Margaret, one of my longtime patients. She was active in her younger years, but after turning 65, she started feeling weak. Stairs became difficult, then standing up from the chair. One day, she tripped on a curb and broke her hip. Recovery was long and painful. But what if I told you this could have been prevented? Now, compare that to Robert, another patient, who made small but powerful changes to his diet and routine. Not only did he avoid the same fate, but he actually regained strength, allowing him to keep up with his grandkids. The difference? The right foods and daily habits. And here are 3 essential foods to help you. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these reduce inflammation and preserve muscle mass. Research shows that seniors with higher omega-3 intake maintain more muscle strength. If you're not a fan of fish, a high-quality omega-3 supplement is a great alternative. 2. Dairy, Greek yogurt, cheese, milk. Packed with protein and calcium, dairy supports muscle and bone health. Greek yogurt in particular has twice the protein of regular yogurt and contains probiotics that improve nutrient absorption. Aim for 2 servings daily to keep your muscles full. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These vegetables are loaded with magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function. Magnesium prevents cramping and promotes muscle recovery. Plus, antioxidants in these greens fight inflammation and keep your legs feeling fresh. Eating these foods is just one part of the equation. To truly maintain strong legs, combine nutrition with these habits. Daily movement. Even 15 minutes of walking or light strength training can make a huge difference. Try standing up from a chair without using your hands to strengthen leg muscles. Hydration. Dehydration leads to muscle cramps and weakness. Drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Quality sleep. Your muscles recover and rebuild while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Now you have a choice. You can ignore this information and hope your legs stay strong on their own, or you can start making these simple changes today. The difference between struggling with weak legs and staying active for years starts with your next move. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I share practical, science-backed tips every week to help you stay healthy, independent, and strong. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear it. They'll thank you later. Your legs are your foundation. Take care of them. They'll take care of you. See you in the next video.